Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix messenger calls not showing up on screen. So this occurs when like somebody calls you and like there is like nothing going to be displayed on your screen. And like if nothing is displayed on your screen, then you won't be able to pick up the call. That's basically like won't be able to pick up a call. So to fix this problem is pretty simple. So first thing you can do is check if your messenger up to date by going to Play Store. Because if your messenger is not up to date, then a bug might be causing this problem. Because if you update your messenger, then like they would bring a new update in which like they would be fixing the bug. So make sure to update your messenger. If it is not updated and if your messenger is updated and you still have this problem, then the other thing you can do is go out of the messenger and hold on the messenger icon. Once this thing pops up, you can click on a app info. Once you go on app info, it's going to take you to Messenger's app info, and over here you can click on permissions and make sure all of your permission is turned on over here. Some of your permission like phone is turned off, then I like you won't be able to pick up calls, so that might be causing you same problem. So make sure to turn all of these permission on, and after all this permission is on, if you still face this problem, then the other thing you can do is click on the internal storage, and in internal storage tap on clear data and clear all data. It's gonna restore messenger, and if it still does not fixes, the other thing you can do is restart your phone, because there could be some problem with your phone and restarting it could solve it. That's basically it. And the last is to delete messenger and reinstall it again. In this way you can fix messenger calls not showing up on screen. So this was the process by which you can fix messenger calls not showing up on screen. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.